We are proud to share that Draganfly has received its second major purchase order from a Fortune 50 telecommunications company, further expanding their NDAA-compliant drone fleet for emergency response and post-disaster communication support. This order, it standardizes a critical aerial capability across the customer's response network by deploying Draganfly's Heavy Lift drone configured as a tethered platform and integrated with USAS's elite tethered-UAS system. Operators can maintain persistent aerial coverage, even in environments where power, access, and communications are compromised. The Draganfly Heavy Lift platform, combined with USAS's continuous power and high bandwidth tethered system, enables extended flight duration and secure data connectivity. Now, this provides real-time situational awareness and communications resilience during infrastructure outages, disaster response operations, and large-scale emergency coordination efforts. This integration reflects our shared commitment to delivering aerial solutions that stay in the air longer, communicate more securely, and support response teams when traditional systems go offline. Whether restoring connectivity after storms, supporting first responders, or stabilizing communication networks in crisis, this platform brings continuous capability when it matters most, saving time, money, and lives.